Welcome back to the 7th episode of the Cocktail Sex Series. My name is Goochie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sex on the snowbank. Now this drink is incredibly easy to make. You need a blender and then you need 4 ingredients. You need coconut milk or cream, whatever you have. You need vodka, you need Malibu or a cheap substitute, and you also need some simple sugar syrup. You'll also need some crushed ice. Okay? Alright, so to make this drink, really easy to do. First thing we're going to do is add 2 shots of Malibu or Wipeout. We're then adding 1 shot of vodka. I'm adding half a shot of simple sugar syrup. And then I'm going to add some coconut milk. Now, I actually put this in the fridge earlier today. And it's kind of solidified a little bit. So I've got all the cream up the top and all the milk down the bottom. So I'm going to add just a couple of teaspoons of the cream. And then we blend. Gonna get our serving glass. I'm just using a martini glass today. And we pour that directly into the glass. And voila, we are done. This is a sex on the snowbank. Cheers. That drink is so delicious. It's full of coconut goodness. Perfect for those people who are lactose intolerant, okay? There's no dairy in it. We're just using coconut milk. Okay guys, that brings me to the end of my episode today. I'll catch you next Friday for another Sex Series cocktail. See you then. Bye.